What are we doing?
Today we are doing a photo shoot for a clothing company. We are excited. We're gonna scout the place, find locations, find backgrounds, and we're on schedule because the sun is gonna leave us. So
yeah, we gotta go figure out what's gonna look good.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go.
All right.
I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily, and I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see
some natural light by the windows.
Yeah, I'm trying to find. Well, I'm not too worried about natural light because I have the flash. I'm just trying to find good angles and try to avoid getting people in the picture.
some relief. I finally got some, please carry on.
You know, I think that it's going to turn out great. You know, we've got good-looking people. We've got lots of talent. We're going to have a good time. What more could you ask for, right?
Don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I work too hard for it. Yeah. Don't mess up the mood. Oh, it's so crucial. I gotta keep it. It's in the ass everywhere. No, it's not a secret. And I bet they didn't think that I'd ever get it. Everything you've done, I get it. The life you're dreaming, I live it. And I'm coming in high. You better get out the kitchen. Yeah, I could make a hit on whatever you pitching. Baby, let me fill up whatever you missing. Or you like it up at the top, it's a better view, isn't it? I'm not surprised at all, no it ain't what you need, come on. Just pay the fee, I supply it all. Went up the mountain and it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top I found some relief, you see, so please don't mess up the mood. Yeah. I worked too hard for it, no I need
The catwalk?
Catwalk, yeah.
Oh, here we go.
This on video.
Show him, Tony.
Teach you one in front of another. Okay. So this arm goes with this one, the opposite.
There we go.
Don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I work too hard for it. Yeah. Don't mess up the mood. Oh.
Yeah, what's the challenge right now?
The challenge is just to take the pictures so the sun doesn't leave us. Because I mean, we still have like at least another hour, but I don't know how many outfits they have. So
Yeah.
this is a nice view.
Yeah, I could make a hit on whatever you pitching. Baby, let me fill up whatever you missing. Or you like it up at the top, it's a better view, isn't it? I'm not surprised at all, no it ain't what you need, come on. Just pay the fee, I supply it all. Went up the mountain and it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top I found some relief, you see, so please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I work too hard for it, no I need it, beat it, oh you mess up the mood. Alright, ooh, I work too hard for it, and I need it, so please don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Yeah, oh come on, I work too hard for it. Yeah.
You can even do like these. Oh, he's the model.
And I need it, so please don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I work too hard for it. Yeah. Don't mess up the mood. Oh, it's so crucial, I gotta keep it. It's in the ass.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap?
That's a wrap.
Alright guys, so there are two main things that you had to be paying attention on when shooting outdoors, out on the field. In this case, I had professional models, so I didn't have to worry too much about explaining to them what the poses and things like that. So the two things that I had to take care of the most was, one, lighting. Where is the sun going? What is the position? Do I have shade? Where is the sun pointing at? Where is it coming from? All the lighting stuff. And the second one, the background. What's behind my subject? So I had to make sure that the background fits the mood, fits the style of the brand that I am taking the pictures for. Alright guys, so that's it for today. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.
Don't mess up the mood. Oh come on, I work too hard for it. Yeah.